Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ultimate moving average indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, so if you come to the input settings, you can see the customizable settings here, such as the MA method, the fast period, middle period, slow period, fast K, middle K, slow K. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. It helps you to identify trend direction, smooth price action, and enables you to spot trade setups. All right, so it's a very straightforward indicator. It just shows you prevailing trend direction. All right, when you have price trading above the moving average, it's a buy signal, or rather a buy trend. All right, and when you have price trading below the moving average, it's a sell trend. So you have to watch out for the position of the price in relation to with respect to the moving average, right? So you will also notice that the moving average is serving as a dynamic support and resistance. When you have price bouncing off the moving average, when the moving average is above the price, you will see that it shows that there is, selling pressure, right? So the moving average serves as a ceiling in this case. And then when you have price bouncing off the moving average in a buy trend, you'll notice that the moving average is serving as a floor. All right. Okay. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.